Hello and welcome back to
the Zak
and Boz Review!
And guess what?
What?
At last, it's my turn.
Finally, I feel like I'm the one bringing in all the things, spending all the money.
Yes. Well, I haven't spent too much.
Okay.
But I have bought something.
You bought something.
Yes.
I wonder what it is.
Shall I level with you?
That sounds like a clue. Ta-da!
That's because it's a level.
Ha ha ha! That's supposed to be funny? No
Yes.
idea.
It's basically it's a PRESCH. Okay, it's German. Spirit level.
Quite compact.
It's quite
isn't
compact. Well, as you know, I've got a dirty great big long, sort of metre long spirit level that I use for all sorts of
Yes, you do.
construction jobs and things. And I'm basically doing some construction work on an outbuilding.
Yep.
Where I am putting in a lot of upright wall studs, which are wooden wall studs, and putting braces in between. The problem is, I wanted to get my braces nice and level, and my big level is too big to go between the wall studs.
Okay.
So I just wanted a small level. So I thought I'd plump for an Amazon purchase. So this is straight out of the packet, yet to be put through its paces. Not that there's particularly much to put through its paces, so we just need to basically look at what have we got. So this one cost me the whole.
Look at that.
Yeah,
Look at the,
oh, you look at that.
Look at the other thing.
So here we have, it's a 3 bulb level for horizontal, vertical, and 45 degrees, and it's got a bullet level. It's got bullet shaped ends, and the ends on this, so if you drop it, they're quite soft. They're not really soft, but they protect, they're rubberized, so they protect the level if you drop it.
So this is just a little promotional booklet for PRESCH. It doesn't
Okay.
give any instructions or anything.
But there we go. What I can tell you is our table is pretty much level.
Pretty much.
Pretty much level. And if I put it this way, so if I was doing the upright studs, then I can level those
So that's
out.
kind of cool. So you can do
And
angles.
if I was doing it at 45,
flat and then
45 degrees,
vertical.
there you go, 45 degrees.
Well,
Okay.
okay, that's quite tactile.
Obviously, you want to protect them. You should really try and avoid dropping a level.
And why is that?
Well, it can screw it up. Obviously, you can break the levels itself. The bubbles can break into
Separate.
sections.
Okay.
You have to shake it about, but it's very well made. Heavy duty plastic.
May I?
Yep.
Yeah.
But it's got rubberized ends on it, so if you
Okay.
drop it, it
So it's kind of like
bounce
shock,
on the floor.
shock
Yeah.
absorbers almost.
Yeah. But there is one other feature on there that.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh yeah.
Go ahead.
Yeah, I mean, obviously you can. It's got holes, so you can hang it up.
Yeah.
I suppose if you really wanted to, you could put a line through that and use it like a plumb line, if you wanted to.
Maybe.
The other thing is, it's magnetic as well.
Oh, that's cool. That's a clever feature.
I don't know. I think that.
What would that be used for? Any ideas?
I think it's cool. What I want to do is test this out. So I don't think we really need to do a further sort of practical test of the level.
I mean, you could put it on my head.
Well, we could do it. Let's.
I've got a dent somewhere.
There you go. Yeah, you're pretty. Oh no, he's gone off. There you go. You're level now.
Okay, it's all the gymnastics. Okay.
So a level's a level. It's a nice, tidy little one. But with the magnetic thing, we can test that. So you've got a strip of metal over there. So the idea being with it is that obviously if you are up and about in places and you don't want this to fall on the floor, if there's anything that's metal around you, you should be able to just connect it to that, and that will stop it from flying off. And also, obviously, if you may be doing some metal work on the beams or anything like that, you can just stick it on there, which means you can go hand-free, I suppose.
That's cool.
But let's see how magnetic it is. It's got like a magnetic strip.
Yeah, it's kind of like the ones you'd have on.
Oh, that's good.
That's good.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
Have like on a fridge or something.
Yeah. So there we go. It's magnetised on there.
Will it lift the bar by itself?
There we go. Ba-ting!
Okay, so it's reasonably strong.
It doesn't have to be. Yeah, it's not for going magnet fishing with.
So would this be a tool that would be really handy to have it in like a toolbox.
Yeah, stick it in your toolbox. Stick it. You know, you want something like this close by because I find levels. I'm using them all the time. I mean, not being funny. Even on the camera we are using at the moment, the tripod on there, that's got levels on it, hasn't it?
That's
so
true, yeah.
we are constantly using levels for all sorts of different things.
Yeah.
So a nice, handy little, tough little level that I used to have a small level like this.
Yeah.
You think that it's kind of unusual that I haven't got one.
Yeah.
But I had one which was very old-fashioned. It's a wooden one. People out there will know it was a wooden construction. Had a little divot out of it for the level in there, and then it had a little brass plate over the top with a view slot through there.
Oh, so is that view slot if you kind of put it on
if you're,
the side?
I'm going to turn it round so you can view it this way, but that way. So if you're having to look down, you might not be in a position where you can look at it from side on.
So would that be, so if you face the camera like that, would that?
Yeah. So
okay.
Yeah. So
cool.
You would see that level in there.
Oh, that's handy.
Okay. Which means you can literally just put the level on its side like that. Yeah.
There's a little quite tactile little thing to have.
So you can look through that slot and you can still see whether something's level or not from both angles.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I think that kind of brings it on to the price.
Well, what I was going to say, that thing.
Yeah.
Obviously, wood isn't magnetic, but if you're putting nails in or screws into something, hopefully, I'd like to see if that just it might not hold itself just on a singular head.
Maybe if there's like a couple spread out.
Yeah, maybe.
Certainly.
Anywhere where you can get that on.
It's all about points of contact, isn't it?
Points of contact, yeah. But anyway, so I just wanted one because my other one, by the way, that I was just finishing off saying about. I don't know where it's gone.
Oh,
it's gone. It's really annoying. I've had it for years, and now it seems to have disappeared off the face of the earth.
But you've got this one now.
So I thought I'll just replace it with that one. Price $8.99.
Oh, okay.
Including postage because it was Amazon Prime.
Oh, it's Amazon Prime people.
Yeah, Amazon Prime. And, I didn't know what was going to turn up. I thought maybe it would be something flimsy, something easily breakable.
Seems well made.
But no, it's a level. It's not aluminium, it's plastic, rubberised ends. What more can you ask for?
Yeah.
$8.99, I'm happy with it.
You happy?
Yeah, I'm happy.
Cool.
So there we go. If you fancy a cheap, reasonably priced level that you can do quite a lot with, and it's also got a magnetic strip.
There you are.
PRESCH, $8.99 from Amazon. Enjoy.
If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to this channel and comment below any suggestions of further reviews you'd like to see.
Yeah, I can go level up now. See you in the next one.